So you want to find a tab name, and you might have dozens of tabs or hundreds of tabs, and there's a few ways to find these tab names. So here we have a bunch of students, we have their names here, and we can click on all sheets, these hamburger menu, 3 lines over on the bottom left. We can click here and we can scroll through this, but this is a very time consuming and we have to look for each name. Maybe they're not in a particular order or anything. It's hard to find. Also, we can do this by holding down Option and up or down. If we go down, and we can flip through each and every tab. If you see on the bottom, my tabs are changing even though they have all blank tabs, right? So that's not very helpful, right? Obviously, Command F, finding in the sheet, cannot use that to find the tab name, and also can't use find and replace to even find a tab name. However, let's use a little app script to get a list of all of our sheets, and then we can search through that to find it. So let's go to extensions app script. So I've already written this function. It's called function all sheets or get all sheets. We're looking at the all sheets tab, and we're going to look at every single tab in the sheet, get the URL, and we're going to get the ID as well to get the URL. And we're just going to push a list right here. So if you want, this script is down below in the description. Get it today. I'm going to do get all sheets, run it. You may have to authorize at this moment. If we go back to our sheet, we see an alert, all sheets tab updated, but you see there's nothing here yet. So let's click OK. And in a moment, everything's there. So now this is every single tab in my spreadsheet file. And now I can do Command F. I want to find Owen Rivers. There he is. And here's a link directly to Owen Rivers. Awesome. This is really cool, right? So now we can search tab names, and we can also update this fairly easily, right? By just going to Extensions App Script, going over here and clicking Run. Very cool. If you want to do more with your app scripts, check out the course Spreadsheet Automation 101 on Better Sheets. It's fantastic to get you into reading all of these and being able to write these from scratch fairly quickly within 1 to 3 hours of just some video lectures. You can start writing this and start doing this on your own. Pretty awesome, right? And if you just want this, go grab it in the description below. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.